after we get our fill panels on, we're ready to do some hip cuts. We're going to go ahead and find the profile in the panel. We don't want to measure from the edge, but the profile. Then we're going to measure the bottom of that panel all the way to that hip line. We want to make sure they're tight to the hip line, and then also the top. So we're going to write down our measurements. We're going to start at the eave and work our way up and have all our measurements written down. Then we're going to go ahead and take that to our cutting station. Then we can find that same profile that we measured from on the roof. Then go ahead and mark those panels. We can create a straight edge. And then we'll take it to our cutter. Now we'll want to reshape these because the cutter can flatten those a little bit, so just reshape those when we're done cutting. And then when we're all done, we'll have a stack of panels from the eave to the ridge, and we'll take that up on the roof and install them. Alright, after we've got our filled panels on, we're ready to do our hip. Go ahead and measure those out. Go ahead and cut them. Keep them in order. Bring your pile up on the roof and start from the eave, and you work your way to the ridge. And we'll just fasten these as normal, getting our fasteners in our bottom and our top. And then we just grab our next panel off of our pile and fasten as normal. Once again, getting those fasteners in the bottom and the top. And then we'll just continue going up the roof, grabbing our pile until our hip is done.